out again. It's a redskin.
Welcome back to another video. I haven't picked up the camera for a while. I'm just stopping here real quick on my way to work. And I'm taking off the Type S taillights off the 6-speed. I actually ended up picking up something I've been wanting for a very long time. We got the CDM coming in. This is just one I've been having, but I got the whole set coming in right now. So these are sold. We'll go ahead and take these Type S OEM taillights off and then getting ready to ship out. But yeah. Well guys, we got we're holding off on the suspension for now. I'll come back on the weekend and try to knock it out. I already took the rear suspension out, but just want to say shout out to Isaac. We actually got the CDMs, the full set, ready for the 6-speed. I might just install them right now. Unfortunately, you know, I am going to cut the tabs off just because I really want to make it easy access to remove and put them on. So we're going to be cutting the tabs off, and might have to modify like the brake bulb or the turn bulb or something just to make it fit. So I guess I'll show you guys that as well. But yeah, we finally got the full set. It was actually $700 for this pair. I got it from Isaac, Instagram right here, and yeah, it's the cheapest I ever gonna find a set new, so I hopped on it because they normally go for a double around 12 to 1400. But yeah, it caught me at the full set. The other one's down there, so yeah, let's go ahead and just start getting this put on the car. All right, guys, so put everything here. So we got safety glasses, of course, got a Dremel and some tape. Normally I don't be this extra cautious, but I am because these are expensive and I didn't want nothing to go inside here. So we're gonna go ahead and tape up here. Don't just tape up here, you can tape up in here too, just because there is ways to get in there, I believe. So we gotta make sure of that. And we're gonna tape up all of this, and then we're gonna be cutting the tabs off both sides. All right, everything's taped up so I know what debris goes in, and we're gonna go ahead and cut all 3 of these tabs off. And if you haven't watched any previous videos, we cut the tabs so that way you do not have to remove your bumper in order to take your tail lights off, because it's a pain in the ass and it'll save so much more time. So we're gonna go ahead, cut this off. I'll skip this part and show you guys the end result. All right, there we go. It's nice and cut. I'm gonna do a test fit and see if they fit perfectly. Yeah, everything's still covered up. I don't think we need to remove it. Let's go try it out. Fits just like that, and it goes in just fine. So now that that's done, we'll go ahead and remove this. We'll leave this here so that way we do not step on this, because like I said, I'm being very careful. And then we'll work on the other side, and then I'll get this side to this point, and then we'll continue the video. All right guys, so I got the other one already cut up. Looks so good now. We'll end it here for today. Not the video, but just today, and then we'll pick it up tomorrow morning. I gotta get going, but next we'll be seeing if the bulb fits and the LED boards. So pick this up next flip. All right guys, next day we're gonna go ahead and now I'm probably gonna put the LED board in here, that way we can seal this off, that way nothing could go in there. And then we're gonna focus on getting the turn signal into in here, that way we have the turn signals working. There's a way where you had to cut, trim something, so that way this will fit in there. Right now, let's put the LED boards inside. I'm just gonna reuse my LED boards because I'm pretty sure they are mint and they had no issues. So I got them right here. We're gonna go ahead and put those back on. Super easy, so I'm gonna skip this part. All right, so I did go ahead and got the LED board in. Next, we are gonna see what we gotta do to trim this to fit this, because they will not go in. So that's what we're gonna check now and see what we could do. All right, I got this one to fit pretty good. I'll go ahead and show you guys a little bit what I've done. So over here, what I did is I cut, see the tab, I cut this tab right here more wider, this one as well more down, and this top one I trimmed a little bit. I'll show you guys once I finish. Alright guys, so I had to cut up. I'll put photos of before and after, and now it goes right in, and we'll go ahead and start mounting this permanently and not have to worry about this no more. Alright, everything is in. CDMs are nice and in. We're gonna go down to 8mm and plug in the clips. But yeah, this is about it. How to install some CDMs on your car. You just gotta do those cuts. Everything else is more plug and play. The LED board, everything else. Shout out to Silver Wolf for giving me some tips on the cut. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and tighten this up, and we might just end the video here. Alright, CDM is fully on. You can see before we end the video, I think we might actually put a new banner on, because this one's all faded and messed up. We're going to the Swerve show, so let's go put on the Swerve banner I have over here from Swerve, which is one of the sponsors. Huge shout out. Let's go ahead and get this banner on right now. Removing it, it's pretty easy. We're just gonna do some water on there and just use the razor blade. That should just take it off right off, and I'm gonna do that completely. That's the new Swerve banner. Kind of messed up a little bit right here, but the sun will hopefully make it go away. Looks good. Shout out to Swerve for sending me this. Alright, well, like, comment, subscribe, and peace.